Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So first of all guys, make sure to open up your Instagram app, and then from over here you need to click on the plus icon at the top so you can add a story. Then click on story from over here, and now you can take a picture right now if you wanted to, or you can add one from your gallery. So for example, I'm going to choose this picture. And now you guys, in order to add multiple photos in your story, all you guys need to do is to make a one color background. So click on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on draw from over here. And now you can choose whatever color you prefer. I'm just going to choose this one for example, then tap and hold on the screen. And as you guys can see, the background is on one color right now. So what you need to do next is to click on the sticker icon from over here, and then scroll down until you find this option with the plus icon from over here. Click on it, and now you can add the photo you want, and it's gonna be added to your story. And to add multiple photos guys, all you need to do is to repeat the same process. Just tap on the sticker icon again, scroll down, and click on the plus icon again. And repeat the same process over and over again. And now as you guys can see, we added multiple photos to our story. You can use the same method to your Instagram story. So guys, that is it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.